Is your Koorui monitor stuck on no signal, even though your PC is definitely on? Before you return it or call support, try these simple fixes. One of them will usually bring your screen back to life. Step 1. Check power and cables first. Start by making sure your Koorui monitor is properly powered on and the power cable is fully inserted. Confirm the monitor's LED light is glowing. Then check your HDMI or DisplayPort cable on both ends. Unplug it and plug it back in firmly. If you're using an adapter, reseat it or remove it temporarily. Step 2. Plug into the graphics card. If your PC has a dedicated graphics card, make sure your cable is plugged into the ports on the GPU, not the ones on the motherboard. Many users accidentally connect to the wrong port, causing Koorui monitors to show no signal, even when the PC is working fine. Move the cable to the GPU's HDMI or DisplayPort and check the screen again. Step 3. Select the correct input source. Use the button under your Koorui monitor to open the on-screen menu and choose the right input source. If you're using HDMI 1, HDMI 2, or DisplayPort, you must select that exact port, otherwise the monitor won't show anything. You can also enable auto source so the monitor automatically detects the active port. Step 4. Power cycle everything. Turn off your PC and your Koorui monitor completely. Unplug the monitor's power cable and your video cable for about 30 seconds. Then reconnect everything and turn on the monitor first, followed by the PC. This resets the signal handshake between your GPU and the monitor, which often fixes the issue instantly. Step 5. Reset the Koorui monitor. If you've changed a lot of settings in the OSD, a wrong option may cause signal issues. Open the Koorui on-screen menu, go to System or Setup, and select Factory Reset or Memory Recall. This restores all default settings and often clears problems caused by misconfigured inputs or display adjustments. Step 6. Try a different cable or port. Faulty HDMI or DisplayPort cables are extremely common. Swap the cable for another one and also test different ports on the monitor like HDMI 1, HDMI 2, or DisplayPort. If possible, connect the Koorui monitor to a different device, such as a laptop or console, to see if it works. This helps you quickly identify whether the problem is the monitor or your PC.